It may have light. It's coming out of my one of my research areas down this dirt road. I'm looking in the woods. I always check the areas here. And I came across this big pine tree that's could be coincidental. Could be. I'm not saying it is, but this thing is a big tree that is down over here. But it's weaved in and out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees. You can see where it was attached to that stump over there. And this thing here, did it fall that way? Or was it placed that way? Check it out. And there's other trees over here too that are on the ground. But check this out, man. It's weaved in and out of these trees right here. I know things happen, but for that tree to be put like that, this tree here. Came from that stump there. It's off to the side there. Missed this one here. It'll weed itself to there. All the way up in between these trees. And these branches that are above it over here are not broke. They're not broke. This thing's heavy, but it's being held up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees it interweaved itself with. Was it blown down? Possibility. Or was it placed there? Possibility. Because this area over here, there's another tree down over that way there, going back. This area over here, I had seen some Bigfoot come across, and in my earlier videos, you can see where they did come through. And they mark the trails with what they do. I don't want to walk in here too much because I don't feel like getting full of chiggers with ticks. But yeah, I seen that coming in. That's to me, it's pretty amazing. Okay, may have light, just showing you what I've seen today. I'll be back out again. Stay tuned for more. Over and out.